Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Tech. It's your boy Lucky, and today I've got the Dujimi one. This is a Android smartphone. This one retails for £150. It comes in two different versions. I've got a Twilight and a carbon version as well. I've got the Twilight version here. But yeah, this is the packaging itself. So we've got the logo there. Let's peel this off. And this is the box itself. And in the back we've got the specs. As you can see, we've got a MediaTek 763 processor, so that's an 8-core processor with 4 of the cores clocked at 2 GHz and 4 of them at 1.5 GHz, so it's going to be very speedy. We've got Android 8.1 Oreo, we've got 4 gigs of RAM, 32 GB storage, we've got a 2 dual nano SIM, so you can put your 2 nano SIMs or 1 nano SIM and SD card slot. We've got a 3500 mAh battery, we've got a 5.8-inch Full HD display. It's not Quad HD, but it's just Full HD, and we've got 12 megapixel and a 5 megapixel dual back camera, as well as a 60 megapixel front camera, and you've got your 3G and your 4G and everything like that, which is very nice. And you've got face unlock as well as a fingerprint scanner as well, so that's nice. So we've got a little thank you message, which is very nice of them. So if you haven't checked out my Dujimi Set 2 review, make sure you check out the link in the description. But yeah, let's take the phone out of the packaging. So we've got the phone in this nice little case, which is always nice. Let's put that to the side. And we've got a link to the vault. So let's open up. You've got your SIM ejecting tool there. We've got a quick user manual guide on setting up the phone, very nice. We've got our UK power brick. It's just a standard fast charging power brick here, nothing fancy there. And we have that red signature cable from them, which is USB-C, which is so nice to see that on a budget range smartphone now. But yeah, this is the phone itself. So you can see I've got it in this little case here, which got included, which is nice. So let's take the case off first of all. You see guys, it's just a simple TPU case, but it's always nice to get a case included. So this is the phone itself. As you can see, it's very nice. We've got the back color here, it's very nice. So this is the Twilight guys, but it comes in a carbon as well. So it has a screen protector applied, so let's peel this off. Voila. It's a bit loose, but yes, nice and tight on there, so that's very nice. And let's peel off the back. There's no thing, so let's just get one corner. Ooh, just look at that. That is so nice. That color is ooh, I'm not sure how well that's showing on camera, but it's really nice. Starts at this purple finish here and comes all the way to this green. So you've got that very nice little gradient going on there. It's so nice. So this got the same stainless frame as the iPhone, so that is very nice to see that. So this is the same stainless silver version, and the carbon version comes with the stainless black, which is nice. I've got the iPhone here that's got rose gold, a gold finish. As you can see, that's very nice and a budget phone. I'm very impressed with that. So let's have a look at the phone itself. So at the front we've got our 5.8-inch Full HD screen. We've got your face unlock feature there, your earpiece there. We've got a microphone at the top. On the back we've got a 12 and 5 megapixel dual camera with our LED flash, just a logo there, some details there. At the bottom you've got USB-C for charging, a headphone jack, very interesting, and you've got your single gore there as well. So let's see, on this side we've got your volume up and down, and you've got your fingerprint scanner as well, so that's very nice. You have fingerprint for unlocking as well as face ID for unlocking. So it's powered by Android. It's Android 8.1 Oreo, so that's very nice. Yes, it's not the latest version, but it's still 8.1, which is good as well. So let's wait for this to power up. Give that a few seconds. Powered on. I'm going to quickly go through the setup and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. So guys, I've set everything up now. Everything works fine. As you can see, if I use my fingerprint, it will just unlock. As you can see, it's very fast. It's just very quick on unlocking. So it's running Android Oreo stock version with nothing preloaded, anything like that, just the standard Google apps. Let's go to settings, scroll down, system, about phone. So as you can see, it's the Umidigi 1. We've got 4 gigs of RAM, 32 gigabytes of storage, and you're running Android 8.1, so that is very nice. Let's go back here. So see, we've got that draw by swiping up. If you go left, you get your Google Now. So you got your Google Now cards and everything like that, which is great. And I've just downloaded Google Home and Command and Conquer Rivals just to play out some games. So first of all, let's check YouTube playback. So let's open up the YouTube app. So thank you. Let's just turn off the mic volume a bit. So it's playing a video. We've got a speaker here, so the sound is only coming from this bit here, so that's okay. It's a budget phone anyway. And if I go into full landscape, it's going to show like that. And if I zoom in, it goes all the way to the edge here, but it does not go all the way to the edge here like the iPhone does. It is a bit sad for this, how you got the curve over here, it's squared off. Would have been nicer just to go all the way to the edge, but it doesn't do that. If I go to settings and click on video quality playback, so on YouTube you're only getting 720 playback due to the screen resolution is only 720 by 1520. So it would have been nice to see 1080, but that is sad. But it's a budget Android phone, so that's nothing much to complain, but the video playback is fine. So let's check out the camera. And I've taken some few pictures now, and they are very nice and sharp. I have to say that. I'll add the pictures onto the end of the video just for you guys can see how well they are. I'm very impressed with the camera. They are pictures do a really great job. They're very nice and sharp and picks up loads of detail, so that's really great. But the camera UI is simple, as you can see, guys. It's just the camera volume. You've got a few settings. You've got HDR on. As you can see, it does make a tiny difference, but not much, but it does the job, so that's good. Overall, it's a very nice compact design, as you can see. So yeah, let's try some gaming. So I've downloaded Command and Conquer, which is probably one of the newest games out now most people are playing. So let's see if that works. As I said, it does not work here. My device is not supported, so the quality is going to be low, but it is a MediaTek processor. Maybe it's the phone that's not supported, but the game works fine. Yes, the quality is low. Maybe I think it's due to the screen is now able to do 1080p. But yeah, the game works fine. As you can see, I've played some few matches and stuff. So let's just try that out so I can show you guys the game does work fine. And most games should work very fine as well. It's just that it's not a 1080p screen. Most games are going to look a bit dull. But yeah, it's a budget and Android phone. There's nothing much you can expect on that. But performance wise, it performs well. As you can see, it works fine. So let's just play a quick game here. I'm going to speed this up. So you guys, you can see the game works fine. I'm nearly finished. So let's wait for the final missile to blast off, and it's done. Probably won the game now. So that's very good. So you saw I was able to play the game fully. I had no issues, anything like that, no lags, anything else. Yes, the quality is low, but that's due to the screen. Otherwise, game should work very fine. So let's just come out of the game. But yeah, guys, the phone, it's nice and decent. It's speedy. As you can see, games works fine. The only downside is the quality. It's not 1080, but you are still getting a decent quality. Pictures and everything looks fine. So if I go in here, click on the wallpaper and just click on the wallpaper section so we can see which ones you got included. You can see the screen is nice. So it does a really good job with color. So let's pick this one here. You can see the screen is nice. It's not anything like shit or anything like that. It does a great job. So let's put this as the wallpaper so you can see it's nice and bright, the screen. If I take up the brightness, it's fully up. Overall, for the price, is very good. It's just a quick first look, guys. I'm gonna have a full video. I'm gonna do some bench test and do some more gaming and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, this is just my unboxing and first look of the Umidigi 1 in Twilight color. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one, guys. Take care.